Just Huajian Medical Devices Tianjin Company Limited, founded in 2004, is a leading professional manufacturer for hip and knee implants and instruments in China, integrating 5 functional modules of R&D, manufacturing, marketing, training, and service. The company attaches great importance to the R&D team, has established long-term relations with well-known universities and hospitals, undertaken many scientific and technological projects, and actively prepared to build a key laboratory for functional and personalized research on bone implant interface. The company independently develops 3 to 5 new product projects every year and pays attention to the development of related global technologies, conducts mid- and long-term planning around the company's product line, and continuously improves its own research and development strength and production process level to meet the demand for high-end orthopedic implants. The company has been certified with the medical device GMP, Quality Management System ISO 9001, ISO 13485. The company has participated in the orthopedic industry annual meeting for 14 consecutive years at home and abroad, making full use of online promotion channels to enhance brand influence. At present, the company's sales network has covered China, the US, Japan, Russia, Mexico, Indonesia, and the other 20 countries and regions. Safe, effective, and delicate are the requirements of all products and services of Just Medical. It has won the titles of famous trademark and A-level medical device enterprise by industry association and government.